Hi sir, this is Jitin Chaudhary from B section. Now I am going to discussing about string reverse. Here it is the data segment. str1 is the string 1 defined byte, that is we take the string that we have to print reverse. String 2 db defined byte, that takes 7 memory allocations with duplicate array. Message 2 defined byte, to print the message stored in memory is message 2 defined byte, that prints the message reverse string. Data segment, data ends display macro message, move ah 9, load effective address lea dx message, dx register takes the message. Here it is the interrupt signal int 21h, end m code segment, assume cs code ds code. Here it is the start. Move ax data is moving into the ax register, and again move ds ax. ds memory takes the ax registers data, display message 1, that means it displays the stored in memory is. This message is displayed. Display str1, that means string 1, that is Jitin. Here it is the string 1 is displayed. Load effective address, here load effective address is taken. Load effective address si str2, string 2 is taken into the as load effective address with si register. Add di 5, move cx 6, and now we are going to the actual reverse logic. Move al di, that means here load effective address is taken as di, so here al register takes the di memory, that means initially j is taken. Move si al, and it is stored into the si register of al, that means, and j is taken, and again j is taken, and print as last increment si, that means j is incremented, that means after j you go to I, and decrement di. Di means what we are printing in the reverse manner, that is here j and then we decrease, that means come this side, and here I is printed. Decrement di, that means loop reverse, that means we again going to this loop, that means move al di. Here after incrementing, then it takes I and it print as last here, that is here, and increment si, that means here I is incremented and go to the next element, and decrement di, that next element is printed here and decremented. Loop reverse, that means continuously this loop is runs. After ending, it displays the message 2, that means message 2 means reverse string. Reverse string is printed. Move ah 4ch to display the reverse string into 21h code ends, that means here we ending the code.